How to turn off in-shot sound. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off or on in-shot sound on Signal. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal application. Now click on those 3 points up there and click on Setting. Now scroll down and click on Notifications, and you have in-shot sounds. You can turn it off or on, whatever you want. And this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was helpful or if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.